Welcome back to For the Mariners by the Mariners channel. In the high-stakes environment of a modern shipboard engine room, the accuracy of sensor data is the foundation of both safety and operational efficiency. Yet marine engineers frequently face the challenge of sensor drift and calibration errors. Sensor drift occurs when a measurement device gradually loses its accuracy over time, resulting in a consistent offset between the actual physical value and the reading displayed on the monitoring system. This phenomenon is often caused by harsh maritime conditions, including extreme temperature fluctuations, constant vibration, and corrosive salt air. These harsh conditions can degrade the sensitive elements within pressure transducers, temperature probes, and level sensors. Identifying these errors requires a systematic approach, beginning with a cross-reference check, where the digital output is compared against a local analog gauge or a redundant sensor in the same system. If a temperature sensor on a main engine cylinder consistently reads 5 degrees higher than its neighbors despite no mechanical evidence of a fault, it is likely experiencing a zero drift where the entire scale has shifted upward. Calibration errors can also manifest as span errors, where the sensor becomes increasingly inaccurate as the measured value moves toward the upper or lower limits of its range. To troubleshoot these issues effectively, the engineering team must utilize portable calibrators such as dry block heaters for thermal sensors or pneumatic hand pumps for pressure systems. During the calibration process, it is essential to check the integrity of the electrical loop, ensuring that the 4 to 20 milliampere signal is not being corrupted by electromagnetic interference or poor terminal connections, which are common in damp shipboard environments. A loose or corroded wire can add resistance to the circuit, mimicking the symptoms of sensor drift and leading to false alarms or incorrect automated responses from the power management system. Advanced troubleshooting also involves checking the sensor diaphragm for fouling or calcification, which is a frequent issue in seawater cooling and ballast systems where marine growth can physically obstruct the sensing element. When a sensor is found to be out of tolerance, the technician must perform a zero and span adjustment to bring the device back into alignment with the manufacturer's specifications. However, if a sensor requires frequent recalibration, it may be a sign of internal fatigue or that the sensor type is not suitable for that specific application. Documenting every calibration event and drift observation in the ship's planned maintenance system is vital for identifying long-term trends and predicting when a component is nearing the end of its reliable service life. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.